What's up guys, this is JinSam. Today we're gonna make another sentence with come. Okay, so what is come anyway in Korean? Blah blah yo, blah blah da. Tell me. Okay, 오다, right? 오다, come. One more. 와요, right? 와요. You know why I use my pencil? Because I want you to write down with me on your note when you watch my video, okay? So you just study with me like you have a private class with private Korean teacher. I visit your room and then we study together, just right next to each other, okay? So 오다 와요. Okay, so in sentence in daily conversation in Korea we use which form? Your form, right? Your form, right? So, okay, I come. 나는 와요. Okay, 는, right? Then what is the polite one? Polite one. 저는 와요, right? 저는 와요, right? Okay, you come. 너는 와요. 는, right? What is the polite one? 당신은 와요. Okay, next one. He come. 그는 와요. 그는 와요. Okay. She come. Actually, she comes, right? But just whatever. Forget it. 그녀는 와요. Okay, they come. 그들은 와요. Right? Okay, we come. 우리는 와요. Okay, we're gonna read together. I come. 나는 와요. 나는 와요. 저는 와요. 저는 와요. 너는 와요. 당신은 와요. 그는 와요. 그녀는 와요. 그들은 와요. 우리는 와요. Great job. Great job. So you're gonna read naturally like 나는 와요. 저는 와요. 너는 와요. 당신은 와요. 그는 와요. 그는 와요. 그녀는 와요. 그녀는 와요. 그들은 와요. 그들은 와요. 우리는 와요. 우리는 와요. Okay, you read. I come. 나는 와요. 저는 와요. Right? Okay. What did you come? Okay. 너는 와요. 당신은 와요. Okay. He come. 그는 와요, right? She come. Okay. 그녀는 와요. They come. Okay. 그들은 와요. We come. Okay. 우리는 와요. Good job. Great job. Now you can read actually, but you have to memorize words. You have to speak, right? So, for example, without Korean text here, you have to speak by yourself. So you have to practice by yourself, right? Okay, thank you for watching. See you tomorrow.